guys, Jasmin Queen here. Welcome to the Ingles table. Today it's snack time in the Queen household and I'm whipping up a classic, banana bites. These are great for kids coming home after school, but grown-ups, you'll love them too. I've already been to Ingles and picked up everything we need. Now, it's time to get cooking. I have everything we need to get started with our banana bites. I have a banana here, so we're gonna take this and mash this guy up. You like to make sure that your banana is good and ripe for this one or it's gonna be super hard to get mashed down. So this one should be pretty good. If you guys wanna see a quick tip on how to get your banana ripen faster, check out inglestable.com. There's a great tip for that on there. All right, so our banana is good and mashed. We have some almond butter, and I like to get the almond butter, at my Ingles is in the bulk section, and it looks just like this, just the ground up almond butter. It's literally just almonds, so that makes for a really healthy type of almond butter. We have some all natural maple syrup, and then some honey. So we're gonna mix that all together. Give that a quick stir. Okay, so over in this bowl, we are going to take some coconut flour and some almond flour. There we go. A little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. And just stir that up. And make sure we get all of our dry ingredients mixed together. And these banana bites, they make for a great after school snack. I like to take them if I'm going out hiking. I'll stick a couple just in a little Ziploc bag or Tupperware and take these guys with me. Great little bit of energy, a little bit of sweetness, just a really good treat. So we're gonna take the dry ingredients and throw these in here with our wet ingredients. Get this all good and mixed up. And this is such a simple recipe. You can store these in the fridge. Once you get done, you can put them in the freezer, so you can have these guys around for a while. Perfect. And sometimes, you know, you just kind of like to use your hands and get in there. We're gonna roll these into small little balls. And then I have some coconut sugar and some cinnamon right here. Okay. So we're just gonna roll these guys up. And you can make them as big or as small as you want. So take it, dip it in a little bit of coconut sugar and a little bit of cinnamon, and then that's it. So this will make quite a few of these little treats here. So that's really it, guys. That's all you have to do, just a simple roll the ball, put it in the cinnamon sugar, and you're done. You can eat these right now, or you can store them in the fridge or the freezer. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Make sure to check out the rest of the site for more tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.